If you are a publisher, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your publisher business. In a publisher business, you get a lot of inquiry regarding manuscript creating, tracking order, availability, pricing and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming, hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your publisher business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here, I will type a key message, "Hey." As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Pabbly publisher. And with that, they have given me 3 action buttons which I can choose according to my requirement. Let's say I want to submit a manuscript. For that, I will click Submit Manuscript. After clicking on Submit Manuscript, they have given me a response in which they want few details of mine like my full name, book title, genre, or any file or document I want to attach. I will enter my details. As soon as I have entered my details and they got desirable information, they send me a response reply in which they inform that their reviewer will get back to me within 7 to 10 days. Not only that, they have given me 2 action button with it, menu and talk to support. Let's click on menu option. As soon as I have clicked on menu option, I got my initial message again. So as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to build this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be landed on pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be redirected to the All Pabbly app page. Here you can see there are 7 different applications, but today I'm working with Pabbly Chatflow. I will click on Access Now button. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening WhatsApp separately. To add your WhatsApp number, there is an option given on the top right corner named by Add WhatsApp Number. Inside this, there are 2 features, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. Below that, we have contact section where you can create all new contact and separate them according to your requirement. After that, we have team queue where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below template, we have broadcast where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. So, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to click on Flow and you will be redirected to the Flow Builder page. Here, to create a new flow, you need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. After clicking on Add Flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are 3 features: keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chart. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all 3 features, let's build this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are making this flow on Publisher Business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp Chatbot for your Publisher Business. After giving meaningful name, I will start building this flow. For that, I will enter regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I will drag and drop text button over here and connect with our flow start. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a welcome message will be delivered to them. Over here, I will enter my message in which I will welcome my customer and tell them that this chatbot will help them through the process. With welcome message, I want to send action button as well. For that, I will click on add button option and enter my text. Submit manuscript. For my next action button, again I'm going to click on add button option and enter ask publishing question. And for third, I will enter talk to support. Now, after giving all 3 action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. Let's start with submit manuscript. To submit a manuscript, I want to ask few details of my customer. For that, I will drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my action button. That means as soon as my customer click on submit manuscript, a question will be asked to them. Over here, I will enter this message in which I ask my customer to submit few of their details like full name, book title, genre, manuscript file, PDF, documents, etc. After that, I will select contact custom field as submit manuscript and format as any. Now, you must be wondering how to add this contact custom field. For that, you need to first save your flow. As soon as you got a message that flow updated successfully, that means your flow is saved. Now come with me to the settings section. Here you can see a feature is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you will click on this, you will be landed on this page. Here you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field. Now I will resume back to my flow. After getting my customer's detail, I want to send them a thank you message. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button. Over here, I will enter my thank you message like this, in which I will tell my customer that our team will get back to them within 7 to 10 days. With this message, I will give 2 action button, menu and talk to support. Now I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone clicked on menu option, they will receive initial message again. As we are done with our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is ask publishing question. For publishing question, I want to send them a separate message. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button over here. Here I'm going to enter a message. Got question? We got your answer. Choose a topic below. Below that, I will provide few action buttons related to the topic that could be asked. As you can see, I have added 3 action buttons: publishing packages, royalty and payments, editing and proofread. If you want to add more action button, you can click on add content, select the text button, write a message like view more and add action button by clicking on add button option like cover design and marketing. Now for each action button, I will give separate message. As we are answering our customer's query, I will write separate message for each question or topic. Let's start with publishing packages. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button. And here I'm going to enter my message in which I answer all the basic queries that could be asked for publishing packages. With that, I will provide 2 action button, menu and talk to support. Similarly, I will provide separate message for every action button like this. And I'm going to connect every menu button with our initial message, something like this. Now let's move to our third action button, which is Talk to Support. For Talk to Support, I will enter a separate message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop and select the text button, and over here I will enter that we are connecting you to the publishing advisor. Please wait while we assign someone to assist you. Respond time usually within 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm going to connect every Talk to Support button with this message, something like this. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for publisher business. Now don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.